Hey, this is Sabrina, and today I'm going to show you how you can add fluid tags inside of your email templates in Teachable. So fluid tags are basically like merge fields where you can merge information from the contact or the course into your emails, and you can also place these within courses inside the system. So basically what you do is you're going to find the key that you want. So let's say we want to find, let's see where it is. Let's just say the country, for example, just to pull one in. So you're going to want to copy the word, and I'll include this link for you guys. Oh, will it let me do that? Let's see. So my link is actually going to be different from you guys, but if you go into your Teachable account and go to admin, site, custom text, or on the back end, go to site and then custom text on the left-hand side, it'll take you to this page. So what you're going to do is you want to make sure that you have your code in these brackets. So it's going to be the little squiggly ones here. You're going to do 2 of those. You're going to paste the merge field that you want or the liquid tag that you want, and then you're going to finish it off by 2 more brackets. And that's going to go ahead and merge that information into your email or your course. Now you want to be careful because some of this information only pops up in certain areas, like on a thank you page, things like that. So you want to be careful which ones you use. But here's a cool one. So your instructor. So inside a course, if you want to say contact blank, and you want it to be their instructor, contact your instructor at, or just contact your instructor with any questions, then you can pull in the instructor's name into that course. And you can see that this section says courses. So here's all your merge fields that are going to be applicable within courses. Okay. So it's pretty simple. You do have to play with it and preview it, and just make sure that the merge fields are coming in properly, or the liquid tags are coming in properly. But as long as you follow those steps and make sure you're placing them in the proper areas, you should be good to go. Thanks for watching.